That's not an uh-oh. Oh, good. Wasn't bad. Yeah. I'll give you some. No, it's not an uh-oh.
Is he saying do I get more?
Is it an okay bird? Want a grape? Want a grape? Want a grape? No. Here. Don't be ugly. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Want an apple? Want an apple? Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Be a good bird. Be a good bird. Don't be ugly.
It's a grouch.
No, 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 no. Yeah. Want a bite? Want a bite?
Lewis was over here a minute ago.
Uh-oh. 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 No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I brought you some beauties. Some beauties. You gonna be a good bird? You gonna be a good bird?
Is that what he's saying?
You gonna be a good bird? Huh? Be a good bird? Pancho. 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 You gonna be a good bird? Are you? You gonna be a good bird? No? You gonna be a good bird? Huh? Pancho boy. Pancho boy. Pancho boy.
Come here.
Come
Get over here.
Come here.
Every time you say that, he does that.
Come here. Come here.
Get over here, Pancho.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
What is he saying? I don't get more?
Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss.
Pancho. Come here. Come here. Come here. What? Good boy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye. Can you say bye, Pancho? Say hello. Hello. Say hey.